Check, check. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do Nature. Uh, they have a song called Limbo, and one of you guys requested it that I react to it. Don't know anything about them, but reading this, they're a 9-member group. Consists of Lu, Sohee, Aurora, Sebum, Chebin, Haru, Loha, Uche, and Sunshine. So I guess they debuted in August of 2018 with a album called Girls and Flowers. But obviously I don't know anything about them. But they've been around for a little bit. So let's see what they have for this comeback. I'm excited to listen to some new groups that I haven't heard of. So let's just get into it. Let's go. Ooh, I like the sound. Oh, okay, hold on. I just got chills. Okay. Ooh. Interesting. Oh, yes. Wait a minute. I think I've heard this song in the past couple months. It sounds familiar. Hey, hey. Yeah, I think I've heard this song. Excuse the noise in the background. My cat's messing with something. Oh yeah, this is definitely catchy. Oh, this part is so good. Is she the main dancer? She seems like she's the main dancer. Dude, I like this. I like this quite a bit. I'm definitely gonna have to listen to some of their earlier stuff. Okay. This is their 3rd mini album, okay. Oh. They have a very... Their Nature, Cosmo all existed for human being. They have a very, like, soothing... like outro, like it sounds really like pleasing, and the visuals are very nice as well, but it's very like sci-fi corporation in the future, kind of dystopian type of feel to it. Anyways, dude, the song was good. I think I've actually heard this song. That's the thing. I think I've heard this song in passing, not on purpose, but dang, that was good. I definitely need to check out a little bit more of what they have. So if you guys know of this group or have known of this group and have a favorite song of theirs that you want me to react to or listen to, just in general, let me know and I'll get to it when I can, obviously. But yeah, that was dope. That was really, really cool. I'm glad that I get to, I know, discover these like not newer groups, but new groups to me because, sometimes things get a little stale when you see the same groups over and over. And this is always great. And I was always, this channel is more about discovering music for me and hopefully for you too. Anyways, let's have a conversation below. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. And I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Peace.